Hey guys, Roland with Impress Computers, and today we've got the latest Lenovo Legion laptop. This is either great for gaming or for doing AutoCAD or rendering work. It's got the RTX 3070 Ti video card along with the 12th generation i7, a whopping 32 gigs of RAM, and that's upgradable, as well as a 2 terabyte M2 NVMe solid state drive. You've got plenty of USB ports, you've got a Thunderbolt port, as well as USB 3.1 ports. So if you're looking for a high-end laptop, backlit keyboard, good video card, fast processor, this is an excellent model to get. Give us a call, 281-647-9977.